Invited to speak at different churches and events all the time. She was always on the go, however, took the time to stop along the way and see great potential in everyone she came across. As much as we admire her work so immensely, to us, at the end of the day, she was just Shosho. She was a joyous woman who, with her generous heart, always gave us chocolates, warm hugs, and consistently opened her home to us to have sleepovers whenever we wanted, or whenever she just wanted her grandkids around. She ensured that her home was our home too. During these stays at her house, she would ask us how school was, or if we were doing any new sports or clubs. There was never a doubt in our minds that she was genuinely interested in our lives and who we were becoming. I can vividly remember a conversation I had had with her before going off to the US for university. We were on the swing outside her house, and I told her fears and worries about moving across the world and being independent, and about making new friends and leaving my old ones. But despite how wary I was, she didn't fail to tell me how proud she was of me, and how much she knew I would excel in everything I did. She encouraged me to be strong and said that she had no doubt in the world that I would have an amazing time in my next step in life. I took her words with me all the way to the US. This immeasurable pride she felt extended to all of us grandchildren in many different and unique ways. Shosho was a very busy woman, but never failed to spend time with us and to show us how much she loved us. When such a busy woman makes time for you, you know you are special. Our Shosho was a very brag-worthy Shosho, and I know bragging is not good, but as kids we couldn't help but say, my Shosho owns this, or my Shosho has done that. And looking back at those all the way up to now, we can't help but smile at the many things she has accomplished and the countless number of people she has touched. All in all, us grandchildren are so grateful to have been able to experience life with a Shosho like ours, someone so humble and ready to help others. I know my younger cousins, who are not standing with us today right now, who may not have gotten the chance to interact with Shosho in the ways that us older grandchildren did, will grow up hearing nothing but wonderful and uplifting words about Shosho Lizzie. Shosho has taught us many things throughout her life, like how to have a generous heart no matter what, and to hold on to what truly matters. Although her loss deeply pains us, for the past few months, she bravely fought through her illness, instilling a fighter in each and every one of us. When we look around this room, all we can think is how crazy it is now realizing after her passing, truly how many people she positively impacted and how many lives she had a hand in developing. Although we now use the words she was or she used to be, she will always be our Shosho, a powerful, determined, and sacrificially loving individual whose absence will be forever felt. There's something I want to pick out from the tribute in this booklet that I can't end my tribute without saying. The twinkle in your eyes when you saw us achieve something, no matter how small, was a testament to your pride and belief in our potential. You are our biggest cheerleader, offering encouragement and support in our every endeavor. She was our cheerleader as much as we were hers, through everything that she did. So, Shosho, thank you for everything. You will be missed dearly, and may you rest in peace forever.
Hopefully I can make it through the song. But I have a song that I would love to sing. I sang it for my Shosho at one of her book launchings. I didn't think it was, I don't know, you never know how big these things are until someone tells you, oh yeah, your Shosho writes books. sex, and I'm like, oh, cool. But the song, let me find it, I get the lyrics. I feel like really exemplifies who she was and who she was to so many people. She was a light, and she just lit candles in everybody's hearts everywhere she went. And so, this is the song that I want to sing. So let's raise our candles and light up the sky. Pray to our Father in the name of Jesus. Make us a beacon in darkest times. So carry your candle, run to the darkness. Seek out the helpless, deceive and poor. Hold out your candle for all to see. Take your candle and go light your world. Take your candle and go light your world.
Okay, thank you very much. Grandchildren are a crown to the aged, and that is what the word to their grandmother. Appreciate them better. Asante sana. We now give